Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to mute notification sound of Tecno Spark 7. Why would you want to know how to mute notification sound of Tecno Spark 7? Well, maybe it is your first time using a Tecno phone and not sure how to mute notification sound of Tecno Spark 7. So today I am going to show you how to mute notification sound of Tecno Spark 7. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Muting notification sound of Tecno Spark 7 is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all Tecno devices. Let me show how you will mute notification sound of Tecno Spark 7. First of all, open settings app in your Tecno device, and now in this new screen click on sound and vibration, and then slide this line to left for notification volume. And now your all notification volume has been muted. And now for unmuting, just slide this line to right. So there you go. If you were wondering how to mute notification sound on Tecno, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.